Oh. So this isn't ideal. Just turned the water on for the first time since I winterized it. And this might be me regretting not winterizing it properly. But somehow the water is spraying out from the back of the outdoor shower, which is weird because I don't know why there'd be even any water in there. So it's up in this, behind this connection up here. That's where the water's coming out. So I think the outdoor shower, I'm gonna guess there was water in it, and it's kind of just busted the whole thing. So if I turn the shower on with nothing connected, it just kind of leaks out the back, and if I turn the main water on, it leaks out the back of the connector. I've taken it off and put it back on, so something's broken. But Natalie just had a genius idea.
Are you joking? You've never called me genius.
I didn't say you're a genius. I said you had a genius idea.
God damn it, okay. I'll take it.
Yeah. Jesus, don't get too above yourself. So no, yeah, she's a genius, and she says, well, what if we do it like dry camping and fill up the tank instead of connecting the pressure from the actual water. So I'm going to try doing it now and see if it still leaks out the back there. The only thing I'm concerned about is if the water pump powers this, we have the same issue.
Okay.
So I'll fill it up a bit.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Fill it up a bit, switch it to the right thing, and then we'll turn the water pump on and see if it comes out here again.
Well, we'll switch it to dry camping, I assume, not the...
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, okay, because it's just coming from the tank as opposed to... bugger.
Yeah, so it's still actually pumping the water. I think it's still pumping the water in the same pipes.
Yeah.
So I don't think it's going to work. Right, so we've got the... this is the pipe that feeds the outdoor shower. I'm going to turn the pump on. I think this is going to pump it through, but I don't know, maybe there's a bypass. I don't see how there is, because it's all on the same system, but... Oh. Okay.
And actually we can't just put like a Ziploc bag over it and duct tape the hell out of it for now.
No, it's too much pressure.
Too much pressure. Okay.
So, I've had some food and a quick think about it, and I went and got the faucet off, and everything kind of looks alright. This is the front of the outdoor shower. You've got cold and hot, and this is the other side, and everything looks fine until you open this, and that big hole isn't meant to be there. Holes in the plumbing is not a good thing. So found the issue. It still doesn't mean I can have a shower though. So we're going to stop off at the RV place tomorrow and see if I can get something like this. If not, I'm going to have to get something to block the PEX connector, which is fine because we rarely use this. We do use it to wash the dogs, but apart from that, I'm not too worried. So I can rest a little bit until tomorrow and then see what happens.
And what did you find?
Okay, I got a new shower. So it's the same connector. It looks slightly different, but it's the same pipes and everything. So that should work. But I'm worried.
$240?
No. I'm worried that the pipe behind the thing on the pipe isn't working. So I got these new connectors. So you put the pipe on here and then screw that on, and it clamps it in. So I don't need the special PEX tool. So that's that. And I renewed our Good Sam because it expired, and it was $19 for the year.
Okay.
Well, I got a bunch of money off because I bought all of this, so it ended up I paid $19 and then I got like 10% off or something like that.
Oh, okay, that's probably worth it. Okay, cool.
And they sell propane, and we get discount on propane, and you get discount at Flying J and
With the Good Sam's?
yeah,
I know.
Flying J, but we don't have the card. You need the card to do that.
Don't know. I think you just need the number.
No, it's still leaking.
Okay, so you think it's the pipe? It's not helping, okay. Can't you just pay someone in there to fix it?
Oh, we're too cheap for that.
Oh. I'm not.
Alright, so I think this bit was leaking on this. The pipe went on here, and then that screws into the back of the shower unit that I just showed you. In the back here. This was broken, and I think this was broken, the seal on that, so I went and bought this. So it goes on the back of the shower unit, and then the pipe goes in here. Now I've just put the pipe in, and it didn't seem that tight, but it's in. I'm just going to try it to see if this will work so that we can go, and then I can mess with it later.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Good so far. I'm just going to let the pressure build up a bit.
There's a question though on the rubbish bit.
Right.
There you go. There. That has a metal clamp.
Yeah. So I originally went for the went to buy this. It's called a PEX clamp.
Yeah.
You need a special tool for it. So I originally went in for a new one of these, the PEX tool, and the clamps to redo this, so to cut this off and then redo it.
Yeah.
But he gave me one of these other ones, which is just I mean, this is a straight one, but you put the pipe, put that on the pipe then goes onto here, you slide this over, and then this screwing clamps it.
And that's holding the pipe?
That's holding it now, yeah.
Wow, okay. Well, I mean, hey, it's working.
Yeah, I think I'm happy that we got the right stuff. I think I can do a better job. I just wanted to get it together now, and I need to tidy all this crap up. But yeah, he said that he uses these connectors.
Okay.
They use them here. We are at a Camping World, and I only ever hear bad things about Camping World. But
I know.
he was very helpful.
Good.
He helped me buy all of this stuff, and got me the stuff and everything. So, and it wasn't on the shelf; it was out back as well. So,
oh, even better.
yeah, he was really helpful. So, I'm happy this is going to work. So, I say we hit the road, we go set up, and then I can tidy up all of this crap and sort it all out.
Yay!
I'm happy. Thank you, Camping World. This is a good review for you so far.
We can't see where the power is. Was it definitely full hookups? What's that? Okay. It's going to be interesting. Next to a lot of full-timers here. So we fixed the outdoor shower, and then I thought I'm just going to check the
sorry, the water heater that creates hot water, because that sometimes, if you leave water in there, that sometimes splits. Now I did empty this, so I'm not assuming this isn't the issue, but as soon as I took the drawers out, because it's under the drawers in the bedroom, there was water on the floor. So I've checked it and I've cleaned it up, and all the pressure is back in the pipes, and I can't see where the water's coming from, but it looks like they're coming from the shower, which is behind this. Not the outdoor shower, the indoor shower. And there's no water coming down, so I don't know. It looked too much to be like condensation, is the thing. But Natalie noticed something strange, so I asked Natalie to put the shower water on. Are you going to make me do it?
I'm not getting wet.
And this happens.
Well, don't spray me.
It's split the shower.
There must have been water in the shower.
Well, I specifically winterized this.
That's weird.
I mean, I say that, I obviously didn't do it very well. So this is why, guys, you pay someone else $130 to winterize your trailer. No, don't do that. Just do it better than I did it, if I'm honest. Just watch. I only watched 4 YouTube videos was the problem, and I think you have to watch 6 YouTube videos on a subject to be a professional.
Okay.
So those 2 make a difference. So if you're winterizing a trailer, make sure you watch 6 different YouTube videos, because if you do 4, then you have all these problems like I'm having now.
Yay.
I don't care. We haven't washed for 3 days. I'm still using it.
Yep.
And then we just need a new shower head. I think this is alright. Any suggestions on what shower heads, please let us know. Don't know whether to get one of those hydronomics.
Everyone raves about them.
Right, well, if anyone likes them or doesn't like them, let us know below. In the meantime, I'm going to get naked and have a shower now.
What are you doing? Why are you using a poo bag? Ew.
What? It's... Well, you said it was hitting the ceiling when you were showering, so I've given it a little skirt. And so now all the water that sprays out the back here will just drip safely down into the shower.
Nice.
Genius!
Genius.
Now we don't need to buy a new shower head. This works.